2 cubes. Hi everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of the Very Serious Toy Show. Today we are welcoming spring with everybody's favorite, the Rubik's Cube. And we have our original cube, and then we have the new Rubik's Cube Junior. We've got the Junior Bear, the Junior Cube, and the original Rubik's Cube. So today we're going to check out these 3 cubes, guys, and see how they work and how they entertain the whole family. So let's start with the Junior Bear. So as you can see, the bear looks like so much fun because of all its exciting shapes and colors, and you can solve the bear so easily because it's made for little hands and little minds. Okay, so let's have a look at the bear. So you can twist his head, and you can twist his body, and you can twist it back, and so you can match the colors up, and voila, the Junior Cube is solved. And then you've got the Junior Rubik's Cube. So there's 3 levels to this cube, guys. As you can see, there's the monkey's face, there's the yellow part. So let me show you. So there's 3 ways. So you can either first solve the yellow part, so like this, ta-da! Or you can solve the monkey's face like this, ta-da! Or you can solve both at once. So you see it's all jumbled up, so you solve both at once. So you see the monkey's face is almost there, and that is the challenge that I'm putting to you guys. Okay? And then we've got the original Rubik's Cube. And this is so much fun, guys, because you can challenge your friends, and you can see who does it the fastest. You can challenge yourself. And as you can see, this is the original Rubik's Cube. It's got a faster action, so it means that it's smoother when you twist the cubes. And it comes with this cool stand that says Rubik's, so you can display your cube. So now, guys, I'm going to show you my little trick to solving the cube in less than 5 seconds. Are you ready to count down? And the trick is, ta-da! You just buy 2 cubes. Alright, guys, that's it from me, Sash, and I love this product for spring, and remember, it's fun for the whole family. So give us a big thumbs up below, and remember to like and subscribe to our page.